with the ngôបន្ត here. So con, chong, dong, thong, bong, song. So when you putបន្ត con, the long sound becomes short one. Kong, chong, dong, thong, bong, song. Kén, cánh, cõng, kháng, khấn, chống, cháy, cháy, chấn, chống, đằng và đằng, đốn, tấn, táo, bạch, bắn, xiếng, sánh, sáng, ăn và ăn và xóm nàng và xóm nàng, đóm nằng, tấn tàn, bầm non, xóm non, trong đồn, cùng tao con mình sông, bón rùm trắng song ruộng khang trồng bằng. Okay, dong, it has a meaning like coconut, not watermelon, huh? Coconut, but dong. So here, ang, it has also a meaning. So if you look at this picture, the lady is grilling. Ang, to grill, but ang. And cùng tao con mình song. So it's con, tao is to hold or to touch. Min Song is the name of this lady. Okay. So continue here more. Okay. With the ngô here, to. Okay, look at this here. Cổng, trốn, tốn, rốn, vốn, lớn. Okay, so long sound without theបន្ត here. But when you putបន្ត here, it must become cung, chung, tung, rung, vung, lùng, chiềng, trường, piềng, bèn, riêng, ruông, liêng, lên, vèn, viềng, đong tùng, ruom vùng, tum piềng, rô niềng. To practice the sentences here, 2 sentences here. Dương cùng chốt lên tất bằng. Mín cùng liền pieng nâng thông tật. Okay, so pieng is a water container, is a water jar in Cambodia. If you go to a rural area, you will this type of jar beside or aside the house of the Cambodian people. Pen is cup, pen, okay, but pen is cup. Okay, so thank you very much, guys. So please enjoy your lessons, and I hope you like it. And please practice reading and listening to this video. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye bye.